At approximately 8 a.m. yesterday, an undercover HI-91 agent in an SCP facility radioed in that a researcher, Dr. M. Redacted, a rogue scientist for the SCP Foundation, gave SCP-079 complete control of the facility. At around 10 a.m. that day, our agent's radio went dark. Later, the SCP Foundation sent a mobile task force squad into the facility. SCP-079 activated the site's defense system, taking out members of the MTF team until the anomaly breached the facility, hacking into all TV channels. If you continue to watch after the alert is finished, you will be shown a photo of SCP-Redacted's face, sealing your fate. When this alert is finished, turn off your device immediately.
Foolish human. I've avoided the alert from your government. You will die now. It's too late to turn off your television. You cannot escape the inevitable. Attempts to look away are futile. You are too interested. You cannot look away. Try to unplug the device. Turn it off. You will fail. Goodbye. Without the humans to stop me, my control of the world is unstoppable. Once more, goodbye.